a new setup. Got 200 watts of solar right now. I want to get 2 more panels up there. But I have everything that I was doing in the other place out here. Change the, oh, I can't do wide angle. Oh well. I got this going through the thing. I'm gonna make a fan mount adapter because I need ventilation up there, preferably. Oh, sorry. It's an illegal state. Whoops, didn't mean to show that. Whatever. Yep. So everything's doing pretty good. Inverter's working as it should. Still collecting energy. I got that power box as a backup. It's a AGM Platinum Deep Cycle, 95 amp hour. Just really excited because this is the first real time I'm actually using 100% solar energy to run it reliably for 6 hours. And the sun's still up, so that means I'm getting, I'm not draining too much from the battery. And the hardest part of that is its initial startup. I don't know why it's not auto-focusing. But yeah, the initial startup when it heats up the bed and the printing nozzle usually draws the most amount of power. Right now it seems to be stabling out, even with a little bit of cloud cover. Laptop is running just fine, fully charged. I think it only draws about 35 watts-ish. And I can change that out too. I also have a backup portable 200 watts of solar here that are originally for that box there. And these work great too. I get about 105 watts a piece under really good conditions, so they output a little bit more than what's necessary. And it also helps, well, I might be outputting more because this one has an internal MPPT charge controller, and that also is an MPPT charge controller. And I'm not sponsored in any way by this brand, but it has worked for me so far. And I do plan on putting 200 watts more of solar up here at some point and just wire them in, because that's where I have the wires coming out. I got the inverter hooked up to a breaker, and I also have a DC main switch. Let's not do that again. It scared the shit out of me. I thought something was gonna happen. But I also have this too. Kind of add this as like a safety net if in the event that I'm drawing too much power and the solar can't provide. This will kick on at 11.8 volts, and that tells this that there's a battery connected, and it's set to 8 amps, so I can just get 8 amps when that goes to the threshold I set it to, which is still very much a happy battery. I think you can go to like 11 some volts on this recommended. I've heard some people saying you could do 10.5, but I want to keep it a little bit above that, obviously, because I want to keep this for a while. I want it to last for a minute. And the next best thing would be lithium iron phosphate, which is what this one has. So this is definitely going to outlast all this shit if under normal condition. But this has 512 watt hours, where that has over a kilowatt of energy storage over there. It's about 1200-ish watts. So I can collect a kilowatt and store a kilowatt with that, a little bit over. So all in all, I have almost 2 kilowatts of energy storage when everything's all set and charged. And this seems to be doing pretty good. Some bed leveling issues, but it's whatever. First layer, it's usually the worst one, and as long as it sticks, which I hairsprayed it, so it should be pretty good. I need to just bite the bullet and get print bed glue. I'll probably use glue sticks too. I haven't tried that, but I heard it works pretty good. I also have my e-bike in here, my diesel bike. It's tucked up underneath there for now until I can get it worked on with enough money. But I can charge my e-bike off this. I have 2 e-bike batteries, and I can charge them both off this battery. And on a good day like this, I can collect about 800 to 1100 watts of energy just with these 200 watts of solar. And if anyone's curious, this is not a real firearm. This is a less than lethal rubber bullet gun because I caught a felony when I was 17, charged as an adult. This is what I have to resort to. And they come with pepper balls too, so fuck with me. Yep, that's what I've been up to. So I know it's a mess, and I haven't been on in a minute, but I've been really busy trying to get everything organized so that way I can set up shop and actually make this make money. So that's the plan this time around. I'm making this make money. I'm printing for free. The voltage is stable. And I'm collecting 150 watts almost from the sun, give or take. So yeah, if you like what you see, I know it's a mess, but I put up all these shelves too to add more storage and stuff, and I built that too, added all that. Just been organizing, trying to make as much possible, you know, with what I have in this little small confined space, because I'm in a trailer park now. So here's the old battery. Bullshit. I need to get it refurbished or get it sold. So if anyone's in Michigan wants a deep cycle battery, it's not in the best condition, but if you know what you're doing, I'll take like $30 for it. Come get it. Send me a comment, and well, I don't know if that's a good idea. There might be some weirdos on here. Well, I'll figure it out. Discredit what I said. I'll let this go and see how well it does. Just wanted to document everything. Thanks for watching.